Hey y'all, Kevin Smith here. Today we're going to review the TSL6 mod chip from tesslaunch.net. This chip includes Mars mode for the anti-nag, as well as additional features. It has some flashing headlights, flashing rear fog lamps, auto frunk opening from your door handle inside or out. It'll actually open or unlatch any of your passenger doors from the driver position using your overhead lights if you hold those buttons. It's a pretty great mod. I'm really enjoying it. It does a great job. Let's cover the install, because that's kind of the best part. It's super easy. It works for Model 3 and Model Y. So let's hop in the rear and do this install, okay? Hey there. All right, so what we're going to do to start off with, you have an adapter and you have your mod chip, okay? So we're going to take the adapter and the mod chip and we're going to plug them together. It only goes one way, so if it doesn't work, flip it over. And there we go. So now all we got to do is open this cover right underneath your vent, and you kind of just pull that off. You can also use the pry tool that's included, but there are clips all along the top, and there's just kind of almost a handle at the bottom, so you can kind of just reach in there and pull it right off like I just did. No big deal. What you're left with is, I don't know if you can see it. Let's move you just a little bit if I can. All right, so this is kind of dark, but there's a blue adapter right here. And what you'll want to do is use this time you do need your tool. Use your pry tool, and all you got to do is just disconnect this. And it comes right out. And then you'll want to take the mod chip that we have. And all you got to do, it only goes one way, is plug in both ends of the cable. I plug in the right side first, and then the left side. So let's go to the right side first. That's the one that's fixed, that's attached. And all we got to do is make sure it turns the right way, and it goes in. Okay, and now we're going to take the more flexible cable and bend it to turn in, plug in. Super easy because it's flexible. And then you'll see the red light on your chip. And you kind of want to just tuck this in the best you can. Doesn't matter. And then we're going to slide that cover right back on. And remember, the clips all go at the top, and that little handle area is at the bottom. And if you just push, it's back on, just like new. And you push your cover back on, and that's it. We're done. So now we can just hop on in and use the chip. Thanks for joining me. Kevin Smith. This is the TSL6 from tesslaunch.net. You can find the link below. Use code Kevin15 for 15% off. See y'all next time. What is Mars mode hands-free on my Tesla?
Give me a moment to look that up for you. Mars mode in Tesla vehicles refers to a hands-free driving experience enabled by the use of S3, XY buttons or other external hardware and software. This mode allows for an enhanced user experience with no disengagements, interventions, nags, or human input required. It is designed to personify the whole Mars experience, providing a unique and advanced driving experience for Tesla owners.